Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, I am going to be showing you how to use the BW zone trade indicator for MT5. Now, if you want to download the indicator, just check the description below. You're going to see the link to download the indicator. Having done that, you proceed to your MT5 indicators folder. You paste the indicator file in there. After that, head back to your MT5 terminal, you get to your navigator and refresh. But if you can't find it, just restart the terminal, okay? Exit it and put it on again. Okay, now let's look for the indicator in our navigator, BW zone trade indicator. Here we go. Drag and drop. So now, as you can see, there are no special input settings. You can just see the colors, the width, style, and all of that. So you can just modify this according to your taste. Click on OK. And here we go. Basically, this indicator is super straightforward. It paints your candle depending on the prevailing momentum in the market. So when you have bearish momentum in the market, you're going to notice that the candles are going to be painted red. It doesn't matter whether it is a bullish candle or a bearish candle. So long as the prevailing momentum is bearish, you will notice that the candles will be painted red. So that is the reason why even this particular candle that ought to be a bullish candle, you can see this particular candle that ought to be a bullish candle is going to turn red just because the momentum was still bearish, right? And then when the momentum in the market is bullish, you will notice that the bars will be painted green. Doesn't matter whether it's a bullish candle or a bearish candle, like you can see all here painted green, right? And then when there is a sort of neutral momentum, you will see the gray bars, right? Kind of in between the buyers and the sellers, okay? Because this indicator is designed to highlight market zones, right? Based on the Bill Williams trading concept. Okay, so that BW there stands for Bill Williams, right? So it's helping you understand market zones based on the Bill Williams trading concept, helping you identify momentum shifts. Okay, so when there is a shift in momentum, the color of the candlestick is going to change, right? So when there is a bearish momentum, you'll notice prevailing red colors. Then when it seems as if the momentum is shifting, you might notice temporary gray color and then shift to green. All right, that is when the momentum has turned bullish. Okay, but then of course, if you're having a consolidating market, you're going to just see the changing of colors regularly. Okay, but if you have a perfectly trending market, at least you ought to see more consistency. All right, let's see if we can find something like that. A market that is trending so strongly. Okay, let's head on to XAU USD. I think XAU USD had some really strong bullish trend. Let's just use that as an example, right? Okay, so you can see that here, you can see that there were consecutive green candles for quite a while. Then it was during this period of consolidation, it's turned, neutral. And then we had a brief bearish and turned bullish again, momentum changed. And then here you can see, well, the momentum changed, even though this was quite a bullish, lengthy bullish candle, but it was showing gray. Well, remember that no indicator is perfect anyways. So here we can see that there were some consistent red candles showing that bearish momentum was prevailing. So this indicator is super straightforward. But don't forget to always prioritize your risk management. Don't trade with an amount you can't afford to lose, and ensure you always use proper lot sizing. Okay? If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you do not miss out on more trading videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.